Hello everyone, you are watching Matrix Television and my name is Krishan Kant. So today's stream is all about women empowerment and feminism isn't about making women strong. Women are already strong. It's about changing the way the world perceive that strength. So actually, women empowerment just not about women's but uh, about us also. Our feminine quality uh, decide that women should be empowered too, and they have equal rights. So there is one viewer with us, Ashok भाई कैसे हैं आप? You can comment below, and you can even give us some advice. How can we make the stream better? अरे भाई क्या हो गया? भाई लॉकडाउन ख़त्म हो गया, सेव कर ले। भाई ये मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि भाई जितनी बड़ी हो जाए उतनी बढ़िया है। मैं सोच रहा हूँ इसको है ना इतना बढ़ा लूँ और इधर एक छुट्टियाँ बना लूँ, उसके बाद काट दूँगा। मैक्सिमम नवंबर, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं। बाकी अभी हम बात कर रहे थे भाई वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट पर बात कर रहा हूँ आज मैं। इससे पहले जो मैंने 2 स्ट्रीम करी हैं उसमें भाई मैंने एक में तो अपना टेस्ट ही करा था कि लाइव स्ट्रीम कैसे करनी है, जो पहली स्ट्रीम थी, और दूसरी में मैंने 1-2 चीज़ों पे बात करी है, जिसमें से पॉजिटिव पेरेंटिंग हो गया, और ये जो मेरे को थोड़ी सी दिक्कत हो रखी है उसके बारे में भी बात करी है कि वो डिसऑर्डर वर्ल्ड वाइड कितने परसेंटेज है, और बाकी ऐसी लाइफ के बारे में बात करी है। हाउ विक्री अच्छा विजयंत सैनी जॉइंड अस। सो हाउ आर यू विजयंत, कैसे हैं आप? आज मैं बात कर रहा हूँ फ़िलहाल वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट पे। तो वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट इज़ नॉट जस्ट अबाउट वुमेंस बट मैन टू। बट मैं ऐसा क्यों कह रहा हूँ भाई, वुमेन से कंपेयर क्यों कर दिया मैंने मैन को? एक्चुअली वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट इज़ अबाउट empowering the feminine quality of everyone, and in male it's about feminine quality, and in females it's about masculine quality, कि वो उनकी जो वो वाली क्वालिटी है वो और निखर के आए। इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट द जेंडर। तो इट्स ए वास्ट टॉपिक, बट वो कुछ शब्दों में लोगों को उससे भटकाने के लिए न्यूज़ बनाई जाती हैं। बट इट्स नॉट जस्ट अबाउट वुमेन, इट्स अबाउट मैन टू, दैट दे हैव टू वर्क ऑन देयर feminine quality and women have to work on their masculine quality, so that they can empower each other in such a way that they create a beautiful union. So I was just trying to focus on my communication skill. So there was a time when uh, I think in so I was trying to enhance my communication skill for a long time, but the thing is accessing that part of the brain which is fogged out by some fear means fear evidence appearing real. तो ऐसे में हमें क्या करना चाहिए? हमारे को जब कोई चीज़ याद ना आ रही हो तो उस टाइम के आसपास की और क्या चीज़ें हो सकती हैं, आप उन पर ध्यान दें। तो ब्रेन में न्यूरॉन्स उस स्पेस के अगर करंट पहुंच जाएगा ठीक से, तो आपको वो चीज़ भी याद आ ही जाएगी। आई थिंक यू कैन रिलेट टू दैट एग्जाम्पल। So if you have any more question about remembering something is a feminine quality of a nature, and dissecting it with the intellect is masculine quality of a brain. So there are different level of masculinity and femininity. Women empowerment is not just a simple topic, so you can ask me anything if you want to. No matter no matter where your life no matter where are you in life, inspire and empower the women around you. Success is never reached alone, and wisdom and wealth are sweeter when shared. तो कभी भी आप इस तरह से ना सोचें कि only you can, everyone can. A girl should be two things, who and what she want. तो ये 25 से अंडर अगर कोई फीमेल व्यूअर ये देख रही है तो मैं उनको कहना चाहूँगा, ए गर्ल शुड बी टू थिंग्स, हु एंड व्हाट शी वांट. It is their choice, and it is always our choice that what we choose, because the power of choice is a supernatural power which can help you to protect your energy from energy vampires. So it's a choice you on which things you are giving energy to. So I got a hello, कैसे हो आप. तो today's stream is about women empowerment. So women empowerment is not just about men and women, but also about the feminine quality of a man and a masculine quality of a woman too. So there are some more viewers joined with us today, so I think today's stream gonna very excited. So today's stream is all about woman empowerment, and as I just told before in this live stream, that woman empowerment is not just about so woman empowerment is not just about male and female, but about the masculine quality of a woman and feminine quality of a man, so that they can empower each other in such a way which from which they can produce maximum output of a moment. That is women empowerment. तो करंट टाइम में अभी जो चल रहा है उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हमें बाकियों जैसे मेल्स जिस तरह से एम्पावर्ड हैं उतने ही एम्पावर्ड वुमेन होनी चाहिए, और जितनी क्वालिटी वुमेन्स में होती हैं जो आप गेन कर सकते हो, आपको उन चीज़ों पे भी काम करना चाहिए. जैसे मैन शुड नो हाउ टू कुक, and a woman should know how to secure. So before in a long time, these qualities are associated with the gender of a person, which is a lower level of reality, but upper level of reality say that it should be a quality not associated with the gender. So as I told you, women empowerment is not just about women, but also about men too, that they have to work upon their feminine quality, and women should work upon their masculine quality. And no rules should be applied. We all humans are same. It's just a gender which makes us look different from each other. It is just we are complement of each other. It's not about gender. We are complement of each other. We हिंदी में इसको पूरक कहते हैं कि हम एक दूसरे के पूरक हैं. If you just ask me that what is the significance of male and female, how it started, in as we know that in Hindi mythology, Brahma created everything. So at first he created a person which when that person produced anyone, he died. So at that time population is not a issue. So when I don't know that exactly, but in that phrase the things has been told is like that. अगर आपको आप यूनियन की तरफ जाएंगे, इफ़ यू go towards union, you have to complete this body self too. This one, your body is the first union of yourself. Then after you go to the another union, if you not complete within, if you not complete within, you always lack. Whether you go any kind of relationship, that is also a uh, also come under feminine quality, feminine quality of a nature of a person. You have to be complete within yourself. If you not complete within yourself, you can cannot make a whole. So there are so many things we can which we can talk in human empowerment. The things I am uh, explained till now are about the nature of the quality, but how can we apply in it our daily life? You can help a woman in your family too. You can help them in households. They can, as they empower you, by providing services. It's life is always about exchange. What we exchange from each other in a long run. Like if you go and buy something, you get the thing you want and you provide them money. That's how we always performing exchange. Life is a very good business of exchange. So when we apply it in our family, if your mother cooking you food, then you have to provide them value, respect, gratitude, because of that services you are getting from them, as a life. In story we have taught so many different things that she should be. It's nothing like that. When when energy flow from one direction, and it keeps on flowing from in one direction, then it got exhausted. It should not be exhausted. So you should you should provide them value, respect. Value can be in any format. If you have any question, you can ask me. I think you are getting what I am saying to you. If you are getting what I am saying, you can comment below. So there are so many things which we can talk in women empowerment. We realize the importance of our voices only when we are silenced. So whenever you feel like a woman want to say something, give them the opportunity to share that message. We It's our duty to empower them and make them realize how powerful they are. They are the source of creation. Without them everything will be destroyed. We should be grateful about that fact. If you have any question, you can ask me. As Mahatma Gandhi quoted, woman is the compassion of man, gifted with equal mental capacity. So I think, and if you have any question, you can ask me. Today's stream is all about if anyone is there, you can ask me anything. I am waiting for your responses. And you can watch this live, and you can watch this live after 2. And I have just started 2 days before. coming live on Instagram, and I am what I am doing these days. I am sharing my messages out there, so that we can uplift each other in a long run. Why I am doing is that because if we think we have time, we it is the biggest mistake we do, that we think we have time. It's now or never. So if you have any message, share it now, because no one knows what's gonna happen next, or if you are not. And I have a YouTube channel too, which is also named as Mayatrix Telling Vision, in which Mayatrick is a single word and telling vision are two different words. Mayatrick Telling Vision. And I have shared a lot there. You can also check out my channel, and if you think I provided value, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel too. And you can find the link of my YouTube channel in my bio. And I have talked about how humans start becoming evolutionary descendant. And that evolutionary descendant is a concept of how we developed the machine in such a way that we are going in backward. And for example, if you have a phone and you have 200 contacts in your phone, and if you don't even remember 10% of them, what kind of power is that? So that's how I came with the idea of evolutionary descendant, that we have to be conscious about the things we are consuming with all our five senses, without knowing about the fact that it can change our perception, mindset, and reality. In the long run, we will notice, but that long run will do a very harm. So it's now. You can take a decision now. Change is nothing but a continuous event of that practice that brings you that change. So you have to understand the power of now. You have to understand the power of now. It's now and never. It's always now. So if you have any question, you can ask me. I am waiting for your responses. I don't know how much long this live gone. I don't know how to check it. I just started out just 2 days before. So Govind Singh Dahiya joined us on Insta Live. So Govind Singh Dahiya, this stream, I have done this stream just about woman empowerment and why it is important. So let me tell you a very brief and precise knowledge of that in very short words. Woman empowerment is not just about just about humans, but men too. And why? Because it is about the feminine quality of a man and masculine quality of a woman, that both should work upon their qualities to to em- uh, to empower women in such a way, so that they bring best in both. So they should be complement of each other. This is the real meaning of woman empowerment. It should not like that only men are providing security. A woman should provide security to herself too. She have to take her power to in her own hands. She has to learn learn self defense. She should not be dependent on males for such things. And in males should not be dependent on women for cooking. They should learn cooking. They should learn self love. What they seek outside is seeking them inside. So why should I tell you such thing like that? Because we have to create an eco in a long run, what we wanna see in our upcoming generation. We should make them aware about the things that these are the qualities of human beings. Not just it's not just a topic of gender, but the qualities of a person we live with. So there we divided uh, we divided that qualities in such a way: feminine and masculine quality. I think I think you got it. And if you have any question, you can ask me. And why I started Insta Live is just uh, because I want to spread my message as much I can. YouTube Live is not just an option to spread that message worldwide. There are so many people out there which don't use YouTube too. So it must be my responsibility to respond with my ability to overcome that audience retention. So I should also provide some value on Instagram too. So that's why I started coming live on Instagram too. So this is the reason. This is my third day on Instagram live. And I am also working on my communication skill. And why I am doing is that because this all my work is all about uplifting each other, and it's all about elevation, and making everyone conscious about the fact that whatever you consuming with your five senses gonna uh, affect you and it can affect your perception, mindset, and reality in a long run. So one viewer is still there. If you have any question, you can ask me, and I can answer it in Hindi and English. So गोविंद सिंह, कैसे हैं आप? क्या कर रहे हैं आप आजकल? हाउ आर यू फीलिंग? आप हमारे साथ लाइव आ सकते हैं. इट्स नथिंग एन इश्यू. If you join a live, it is like providing value. You can provide me value. So there is one more viewer came. So you can tell me who you are. So this stream is all about spreading awareness about women empowerment. I don't know. Acha, it's you. Okay, thank you bro. Thank you bro. So what do you think, how much I have uplifted myself? You can give me a rating from 0 to 10. As you know that I started from day August 1 2020, started sharing my messages. And when I started out, I did my work in such a way that I write things, and then I converted into text to voice format, and upload them on YouTube. So when I uploaded that, I learned from that my content should be interactive, and it must be come from the bottom of my heart, which a machine cannot do that. So that was the reason I came to the decision that I have to share it in my voice, because it is your voice that gonna make that effect, not that machine. And you have to understand that the fact that machine can only replicate, but you can only resonate with the human. So when you resonate with my voice, it is you, not me. It is that space I have provided you as a value. That's why human energy is so powerful, and that a machine cannot do. So we have to understand that fact. We should start working on ourselves soon, before machine take over on us. As we invented AI, I don't know what's gonna happen next. I am not Yantrayami, but you can ask me any question if you have any, or so many. We are here to provide value each other. It's not just about one-sided conversation. if you have any question, you can ask me or even can tell me a joke, so we can laugh together and produce a energy at both ends, so uplift the energy around each other. It is your choice. And let me great points. Acha, thank you brother. Thank you brother. I am just starting to share it, because to provide values, it is just about sharing. So one more viewer is joined with us, so let me tell them this stream is gone so long, and I have shared information about what is human empowerment. And women empowerment is not just about women's, it is about the men too. And how is it is like it is like feminine quality of a man and a masculine quality of a woman. And you have to empower each other in such a way, so we both can bring maximum output from ourselves. This is a real woman empowerment, is not just about woman. So this is my perspective. I am not talking about the facts. It is just my perception that I think uh, you must think about. And if you do, and if we resonate each other, we can even discuss some points on that. And if you have your perception, you can share with us, you can came live with us. I welcome you to came. And if you have any question, you can ask me. And can anyone tell that how much long this live has gone? Cause I don't have any idea. When I came live, I don't think about time that much, so I lose the sense of time when I came live, because live are always timeless. If you get that point in a long time, it must be timeless. You should be timeless when you came live, because when you watch this video after a long time, this video gonna help you like a memory temple, if you don't know. And why I am telling you is that because this content is not just about you, but about me too. Because what we have provided as a value is a valuable thing, and you can extract more information when you watch it later. So this message was for me. And if you want to send any message to your future self, you can do it in such a way. You can do it in such a way too. This kind of format gonna help you very much, because text is also a form, voice is also a form, and video format is also a form of more detailed knowledge. So that's how you can use that technology and not get used by the technology is just about empowering us, and you have to understand the fact how you can use it. And it is your choice how you gonna use it. So use it precisely. Your technology is like a sharp knife. Either you can use it, and you can cut your hand too. So these terms I came from a idea of my evolutionary descendant, how humans start becoming evolutionary descendant, that we get used by the things we make to use. So this is how I came to that point. And we started that live on the topic of women empowerment, as I told you before. And no rule should be applied on anyone. It is about right and wrong, and right and wrong came from a dual mind perception. We should understand what is required and what should be done. So if you have any question, you can ask me. And If you think I have provided some wrong information, you can correct me, because this live gonna stay on internet forever. We don't have to make that mistakes, because it is timeless content. You have to understand that whatever on internet is timeless. So this is the superpower of internet, that you still alive there forever. So I think you should write down your problem, what you think you cannot do. If you just make a list and us, and cut it from a red color, and just write in front of that thing, I can do it. Just try this practice. I tried this practice, and I was a introvert for a long time. I feel very hesitated when I share messages, but I overcome my fear, because fear is nothing, just false evidence appearing real. So you should also work upon your fear, which enhance your feminine quality. And when you work upon your fears, you should also understand that fear has also another phase, which is face everything and rise. And fear is not just about the things you don't have to do. Fear is also about the things you should not do. So fear a positive side of fear is that fear always keep us safe from not doing things which can harm us. So there is always so many perception of the same thing, and you have to understand each perspective, because not a single perspective make the reality, but each perspective make the reality. Each perception is required for the reality. From one perception you only receive a selected part of the reality. That's how that's why I am a single bit of that information, and you are the another bit. Until unless we both combine that both with, we cannot get a vivid knowledge of that topic. So it should be it should be resonating. That's why we have to share. And if someone gonna listen it later and analyze thing, they can comment later too. And if you have any question now, you can ask me. I don't know how much long this stream going to be. I don't have any idea. And I want to say you one thing: when you start working on yourself, you should stop undervaluing yourself. This is the biggest problem. This is the biggest problem when we get demotivated by the things. So you should not undervaluing yourself. And if you have any question, you can ask me. And when you start working on yourself, release yourself by forgiving yourself, because life is all about making mistakes and working upon them. And that's how reality works. We made some mistakes, and we worked upon them, and we can provide the information to the upcoming generation, so that they will not make that mistakes, and they will learn from that time zone, and they should do the same. That's how we evolve in a long run. And in a single run, you should work upon yourself. In society, you will provide value only when you provide value. And how you can provide value is that you should provide information about the things you have faced, and raised from that, and how did you rise on that situation. That should be shared, because if your shared content gonna help anyone, that's life. And this must be a quality of our nature, not our a priority. because when we prioritize things, we overvalue things which should not be done. It must be a quality of our nature. So it should be a quality of nature. As I told you earlier, this stream is all about women empowerment, so we are just talking about the qualities of a if we talk about quality of a man, the man should work upon their feminine quality, and women should work upon their feminine masculine quality too, so that they can uplift each other in such a way so they can provide maximum output. So this concept is also can be used for how to overcome procrastinating. As as i did a as i did a video on how to stop procrastinating. You can find that video on my YouTube channel. You can find link of that YouTube channel on my bio. And my channel is all about spreading awareness about the things we consume without knowing about the fact that it can change our perception, mindset, and reality in a long run. We should know that what we are consuming, because what we consume is gonna work as a data from which we think and analyze thing. We have to understand that fact, that how our brain works, and above the brain there is a mind. So, and below a mind there is a body. So when you control your mind, you control your brain, and when you control your brain, you control your body. So these are the first thing you have to work upon, because when you rule your body, you are ruling your brain, and when you are ruling your brain, you are ruling your mind. So you can choose any approach to come into a productive line, because you should control your body should not control you. So human machine is a very complicated and productive machine. It's always productive. If we just came to that fact, we are always productive. So if you have any question about anything, you can ask me. I will try my best to answer that question from best of my knowledge. I will not to say anything which I have didn't experienced yet, because as I said earlier, I am working upon my communication skills and learning about the things I have, and learning the things I have to. So if you have any question, you can ask me. I don't know how much long this live has been passed. And start taking care of about your body too. Your body is the machine on which you are traveling on that planet. So your body should be clean. Your body should be alkaline. In the simplest way of staying healthy is stay alkaline. If your body pH level is alkaline, no kind of disease will remain in your body. You can get information more about that topic, and this research has been done by Dr. Sebi. You can check it out. You can check it out about Dr. Sebi and his work. You will get a very very real and empowering information that gonna help you in a long run if you apply it in your life. And what is the main difference between knowledge and wisdom is only that when we apply knowledge, it became wisdom. We have to practice that knowledge to become wisdom. So if you practice that, your body will stay alkaline. You will experience that you will not fall ill in anyhow. It must be your duty, because you know how to take care of a car, but you don't know how to take care of your car. So this is the main reason we fall into problems. So if you have any question, you can ask me, and I'm gonna end this stream. If you have any question, you can ask me, and say, and you can, if you want to say something, you can comment below. If you have any message for me, any kind of message, hello, hi. I don't know who is watching this live stream right now. If you're still watching this video right now, I only say you that you have to work upon yourself, and you should be conscious about the thing you are consuming from all your five senses, and you should be conscious about the things happening in your surrounding, because they bend your realities. You should be conscious about the thing you consume in your food. You should avoid chemicals as much as you can. You have to understand the fact that we have a very powerful gland, which is pineal gland, which is responsible for our intelligence, power, IQ level, and growth hormone. If you just work upon detoxification of your body, you can balance your body in such a way so that it can stay alkaline, and a alkaline body will help both male and female. So we both have to listen both have to listen to our body, that what it is telling us. So we have to start from our own, work upon yourself, then work in social, and you have to also take care about the mother nature, earth. Okay then. Okay, one viewer came back to our stream, and I think that you must I must provide you value. So I started this stream with the mindset of providing some good piece of knowledge about women empowerment. And as I told in this stream, women empowerment is not just about man, and not just about women, but about men too. And why? Because women empowerment is about the feminine quality in a man and a masculine quality in a woman. So we have to empower each other in such a way so that we can bring maximum from each other. So unity is meaningless without the accompaniment of women. Education is fruitless without educated women, and agitation is incomplete without the strength of women. तो मैं इसको रिपीट कर देता हूँ, यूनिटी इज मीनिंगलेस विदाउट द accompaniment of women. Education is fruitless without educated women. Educated is fruitless without educated women. So this is the main line. Educated is fruitless without educated women, and agitation is incomplete without the strength of women. So from that line, we're gonna end that live stream, and I hope that this video gonna provide some value. And if you think that this value provided value to you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel too. You can find the link of my YouTube channel in my bio, and you can share this video so that this message to be seen to everyone who is seeking that message. So okay everyone, I'm going to my work. So bye bye.